There's been a lot of confusion about how to teach addition and subtraction with place value without teaching the algorithm. So I wanted to give an example of each. We're going to start with addition. Now, before we ever even get into working problems, we need to remember that we need to be using the manipulatives. Our students need to understand how to add numbers using their unit blocks, the rods, and the flats. So we want to make sure that we give students lots of rich experiences with adding numbers such as 64 plus 37. We want our students to be able to take the number 64 and break that down into 6 tens and 4 ones, and to take the number 37 into 3 tens and 7 ones, and be able to use these unit blocks and these rods in order to add the numbers together. We want our students to make sure they're able to make a 10 out of these unit blocks and replace 10 unit blocks with a rod, and then be able to add their tens together. So let's take a look at the number 64 plus 37. The first way that I'm going to work it is with words. If we break down 64, we have 6 tens and 4 ones. We want to add that with 3 tens and 7 ones. So now we want to go and we want to add these numbers together. If we have 6 tens plus 3 tens, that gives us a total of 9 tens. If we take 4 ones plus 7 ones, that gives us a total of 11 ones. Now that we know by making a 10, this 11 actually breaks down into 10 plus 1. We can take this 10 and create one more 10. So that's going to be 9 tens plus 1 more 10 plus 1, 1. When we add those together, 9 tens plus 1 10 equals 10 tens, which we know is 100, plus that 1, 1, and we get our final answer of 101.